Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really essential piece of gear for anyone working with professional audio or stage lighting, the HOZIBING XLR adapter, specifically the 5-pin to 5-pin male connector. This isn't just any adapter, it's designed to be a versatile workhorse in your setup. One of the first things one will notice about this HOZIBING adapter is its clever design. It's not just a simple connector, it's a true splitter and converter. The range of types available is incredibly useful, covering XLR male to male, XLR male to female, and XLR female to female configurations. This flexibility means users are likely to have the right connection for almost any scenario, whether extending a cable, changing genders, or adapting different pieces of equipment. The build quality here is truly impressive. HOZIBING has given this XLR audio adapter a fresh, new appearance, with coordinated lines that give it a clean and professional look. But it's not just about aesthetics, this product is built to last. The all-zinc alloy die-casting shell is a significant feature, ensuring exceptional stability, durability, and flexibility. This robust construction means it can withstand the rigors of frequent use, whether it's being plugged and unplugged on a busy stage or tucked away in a studio rack. The quality is palpable, which is reassuring when relying on gear for critical performances or recordings. Now, let's talk about its functionality. The HOZIBING XLR adapter is incredibly versatile. It's perfectly suited for controlling stage lighting, making it an indispensable tool for DMX setups. But it's equally adept at transmitting high-quality audio sounds. The key here is its 5-pin XLR interface. It's crucial to remember that this is specifically for 5-pin connections, not the more common 3-pin XLR. As long as a device has that 5-pin interface, this adapter can seamlessly integrate into a system, either as a patch cord or by plugging directly into the equipment. This dual-purpose capability for both DMX and audio makes it a highly efficient addition to any professional's toolkit. Performance is where this adapter truly shines. HOZIBING has engineered these adapters to follow international standards for audio connectors, which is vital for achieving lossless transmission of signals. This means users can expect reliable audio transmission without any degradation in quality. Furthermore, it incorporates protective shielding specifically designed to eliminate RF and EMI noise. This is a game-changer for maintaining signal integrity, allowing users to say goodbye to frustrating audio interference and instead enjoy crystal-clear sound. In a world where signal purity is paramount, this feature alone makes a significant difference. Finally, the convenience of getting 2 pieces per pack is a thoughtful touch. It means one will have a spare or can tackle 2 connection challenges right out of the box. The HOZIBING XLR adapter is a testament to thoughtful design and robust engineering, providing reliable, high-quality connections for both audio and lighting professionals.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.